Hello, my friends, and welcome back to At Home with Sonja. Are you stuck in that post Christmas decorating slump? You know, when the twinkling lights and festive reds are gone, but it's too early to bring out the spring florals. Well, today I've got you covered. I'm sharing cozy winter decorating ideas for your front porch and entryway that are simple, seasonal, and perfect for transitioning your home after the holidays. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the inspiration you need to create a warm and inviting winter look that carries you through the season. So let's get started. I am starting here on my front porch and I'm creating a warm and inviting look that carries me through the darker months of January and February. Living in Ontario, Canada, these months can be pretty gray, so keeping these spaces styled makes everything feel a little brighter and more welcoming. I've taken down anything that screamed Christmas, like the red berries, bows, garlands, and twinkling lights. However, I've kept elements that still feel wintry but neutral, such as greenery and pine cones. I'm starting by placing DIY wreaths I made a few years ago on the front porch. They're simple, a bit smaller than traditional wreaths, but they work perfectly for a subtle, cozy touch. For those of you stopping by for the very first time, I'm Sonja, and I love sharing cozy and beautiful decorating ideas, DIY projects, and seasonal inspirations to make your home feel warm and inviting all year round. If this is your first time here, I'm so glad that you stopped by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our little community. We'd love to have you stick around for more decor ideas, easy DIYs, and all things home. Next, I'm adding a hot cocoa sign. This was originally part of my cocoa station indoors, but I've repurposed it for outdoor decor a couple of years ago, and it's been a favorite ever since. I'm also bringing back the cozy blanket I used for Christmas. It's perfect for the winter season, and I'm adding a pillow with the Let It Snow cover for that extra cozy vibe. I also kept the layered doormats for a warm, welcoming vibe. I swapped out Christmas mat for one that says Let It Snow, which I DIY'd a while ago. I refreshed my planter by swapping out the red berries for snowflakes and removing the Christmas lights. These little changes make the arrangement feel more wintry and less holiday specific. I've decided to bring the home sign here, and I added one of my Norfolk pine wreaths to the O. It's such a small detail, but it really ties everything together, giving the porch a fresh and cohesive look. I decided to place the wooden sleigh next to the rocking chair. It's one of my favorite winter decor pieces. It's simple and charming and adds a whimsical touch to the space. To complete the look, I added my snowball bucket, a fun little DIY I made with the Dollarama bucket and some vinyl lettering using my Cricut. I filled it with snowballs, both store-bought and ones I made using styrofoam balls, a playful wintry vibe. I also forgot to mention that over by the seating area, I also swapped out berries for snowflakes. I did not add anything else into this area, just kept it simple. To avoid the empty spaces, I kept the small trees from Christmas in my planters, and they are natural enough to work all winter. And just like that, the porch feels warm, inviting, and ready for these darker months. From the wreaths and hot cocoa sign to sleigh and snowball bucket, everything works together to create a warm, welcoming space that's anything but bare. I love how it turned out. Moving to the entryway, I've already cleared away all the Christmas decor, leaving a clean slate. This space is small, but with a few simple touches, it can still feel cozy and styled. One update I made to the entryway over Christmas was adding these beautiful two-panel curtains from Two Page Curtains. I went with the Liz Linen draped pleated panels in the shade Burleywood Birch, and I absolutely love how they look. The tailored pleat design gives them a classic, sophisticated look, and I went without any backing on them. This makes them perfect for creating a light, airy feel in a space while still adding that polished touch. And I love how they frame the window beautifully and really elevate the whole entryway look. I'm adding my second Norfolk pine wreath to my home sign here in Entryway. It's such a simple yet impactful way to carry the greenery from outside into this space. It ties everything together and adds a touch of cozy, wintry charm, and also brings a cohesive look to the whole entryway. To create a warm and inviting feel, I decided to add a lamp to the console table. I haven't used a lamp before, but I love how it adds a soft glow in the evening, especially during these darker months. For now, I'm using one I already had, but I'm on the hunt for something new and a little more fitting for this space. Next, I added a coffee table book I picked up while thrifting over the holidays. While it's a little wider than I originally wanted, I love the look of the cover, so I'm making it work for now. On top of the book, I placed my DIY paper mache bowl, filled it with pine cones for a natural wintry touch. I always love using pine cones in the season because they add texture and bring in that cozy outdoorsy vibe. To bring height and balance, I added a vase with winter branches. These were originally Christmas picks with berries, but I swapped the berries for pine cones to make them feel less holiday specific and more appropriate for the rest of the season. On the bottom shelf of the console table, I added my favorite basket with the same cozy blanket I've been using since fall. Along with a sweater covered pillow for an extra touch of warmth. Finally, to cover up the lamp cord, I placed a small cedar tree in a simple pot. And next to it, I'm adding this black iron shape decor piece, I'm not quite sure what it's called, and a little cement bird for added texture. And that's it. The console table now feels cozy, layered, and perfect for winter. The lamp adds such a warm glow, while the natural elements like the pine cones and greenery tie everything together beautifully. It's simple but so inviting. I hope you enjoyed these cozy winter decorating idea. Transitioning your home after Christmas doesn't have to be complicated. Just a few thoughtful touches can make all the difference. Let me know your favorite part in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.